Ledger Nano X Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Ledger Nano X Wallet app is more than just a companion to the hardware wallet. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for storage. In reality, it's a powerful tool that lets you manage, send and receive crypto securely, all from your mobile device. On the pros side, Ledger Nano X app offers top-tier security, syncing seamlessly with the Ledger hardware wallet. Your private keys never leave the device, protecting your assets from online hacks. The app supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins, giving you wide portfolio coverage. It also allows staking on certain assets, so you can earn rewards without exposing your funds. The interface is clean and mobile-friendly, making it easy to monitor balances, manage transactions, and even install apps for different coins directly from your phone. On the con side, Ledger Nano X app requires the physical hardware to function fully, so it's not ideal for users seeking a purely software-based wallet. Some users may find initial setup a bit technical, especially when pairing with Bluetooth or updating firmware. Transaction fees are determined by the network and can sometimes be higher than mobile-first wallets that aggregate low-cost routing options. In conclusion, the Ledger Nano X Wallet app is ideal for users who prioritize security and want full control over their crypto. While it's not the most beginner-friendly for complete novices and requires the hardware for full functionality, its unmatched security, wide crypto support, and staking capabilities make it a strong choice for serious crypto holders.